Hey, NASDOG, we get the best dope on the markets. I am Alan Palmer, your human technical analyst. We're gonna talk about meats here, but this is silver. We got a brush fire going on here. We got an early close here. Silver is currently up $3.36. Okay, that's a 12-minute chart there, folks. It's a 12-minute chart there with a $3.50 rally on it. But let's go to a daily. Okay, anything goes, babe. Anything goes. Okay, this is the tab says D silver, but it's actually, this is March silver. Okay, I will change that. We just rolled here, and CQG, you can do it, then just put the next contract in there, and it'll keep all your points of contact. So that is silver. Here's gold. Gold is, gold limps to rally, be up a 1% here. Got up to 4,400 there, down to 30, almost 3,900. We're at 42.44 here. We've got a little trend line breakout today. We're over a little halfway back there at 41.94. That's gold. Okay, here's one. Here, actually, this is the dollar. This is the dollar here. Okay, it's a weekly chart. This is a March weekly chart. And let's just see what the DEIS looks like there. Okay, there's a DEIS intraday. Okay, got up to par 28 here. Just in a couple days ago. I wanted to show you. Here's rice, man. Rice. This is it's multi-year lows here, right around $10 here. I got something to say in the back months here because we are under olives and Jans. This is March. Okay, this is March cotton. Okay, so what we had, this is March. Okay, the month before March is DEIS, which we're like DEIS is right about now. Okay, DEIS went down to, what was it, 60.80? I think it was 60.80. Olive line buy. And this is what the March did. Okay, so I got a couple of these olives here. As a matter of fact, we are just, here's one of these olives goes with one of these down here. Okay, so these are really long term. Okay, so what it's saying here is 65 to 63. It's a 2-cent range, but these are all in this olive territory. Olive buy. Okay, because we've been breaking here for actually a couple of years here. That's a daily. There's a weekly. Okay, this is the same kind of thing here. This was 2021. Same kind of thing in grains. Okay. We go back and we're making deep retracements, multi-year lows. Okay, that's a long-term cotton chart. All right, this is what I want to talk about here. We'll do DEIS. This is DEIS live here. So DEIS is everything we're getting going into delivery month right now here. But this was this week here. Okay, so this was Friday. This was Monday. Okay, Monday we opened. Oh, that's right. Remember that, the report. Monday, we traded limit down. We came all the way back to steady on the day, got a little higher. Then the next day, we opened limit down. Okay, didn't trade all day. Okay, and then the next day we came down here. We did an orange. Okay, that's in the DEIS. Okay, these are all going to look a little different here. I'll give one big looks right here. So, okay, so what we're doing is we're looking right in this column right here because where we're going. So now we're back up into this trend line here that's played many times, okay? And actually, I think the risk, okay, we got lower weekly highs here, but that is like right around here. So if we were to rally next week, okay, I would not be surprised because I've been looking for 2 sharp up weeks, okay? It's just what happened, okay? It's just what happened previously. You get 2 sharp, stiff up weeks. So next week will be the 7th week, okay, of this pattern. So, if you do rally big, you want to sell it, in my opinion. And we did break $30. Here's a intraday right here. Okay, we came up into last month's low, big halfway, spend a couple bars right here. Okay, and then we come back over here, we hit a trigger, and now we sell off. We're still up $4. Very respectable. Okay, we're up 2%, and we're up 3%. And here you got a long-term trend line. Here you got a long-term trend line. Okay, and then these are the back months up here, back in the back months. Okay, that is really, man, 200. That was up to 240. You know, that's a $40 break. I just have the numbers. Here, you hit it here, and then you went limit down. Here, I'm an asshole, okay, for drawing that trend line. And then here you go outside up, okay, and then next day is 2 day. So that's, and then this is another thing here. This is another perspective I want to get. We are up 45% in this. Look at this. We got up only 14%, okay? So you can see right here, we pulled back into June, okay? This is only June, okay? This whole year started, well, that's more longer than that. Where'd we start? Here's the beginning of this year, okay? We started with a rally, and threw a break at it. And then here we were wrestling around, and all of a sudden we made our run. Okay, so here we are. You can see the previous week's high, okay? But if we were, okay, to get back to, geez Louise, I don't know, I was going to say plus 24%. Or plus 32%. Actually, that would be... There it is, babe. There it is, babe. I think this is where you want to sell this particular product. If you need any information, email me. arp@nasdog.com. Let's go to a trader rule, adage, or excuse. The market moved too fast for me to get in or out. Wow. That's a day like for silver, up 333 right now as we speak. Have a nice day. Always use the risk stop to stop the risk. Thanks for watching.